Hi there guys, welcome back to Vital Edge Partners. Ruben here. Today I just wanted to let you guys know that one of the things I have been noticing quite a lot is that whenever we try to start our own online business by doing affiliate marketing, there is so much information that is dispersed that it actually becomes quite complicated for us to start when you are looking at it for the first time. So as a result of that, what I will be doing is that over the next days, I will be uploading one video per day in which I will be showing you guys how you can actually be starting your own online business step by step as a bit of a guide, so that I can help you guys, and this way you can actually have better information and in a more consistent way. So if you guys have any doubts, don't forget to comment on the videos. Apart from that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so that you're aware of whenever I'm uploading those videos, and this way you can also get the information firsthand. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.